Hey y'all, this is not the gummy worm challenge yet. We are testing out eight different soaps on the soap salts test. So I got some salt and I got 8 different soaps. So first we're going to try Suavikids 3-in-1. So, and I have a big plate. Place everything on. So I'm just doing a little tiny bit of each soap. And I got Lemon Certis hand soap. And I got this green apple hand soap. If you guys are wondering why the Lemon Certis is blue, is that because I had soap dye and I dyed it blue. Then I got Bath Therapy. If you guys are thinking to add a lot, I'm adding a lot, I'm really not. Then I have Olay. I was like, is anything in it? This is actually body wash. Then I have Suavikids 2-in-1. Last but not least, I have Tresemme. So I'm going to go get stirring utensils for all of these, so I'll be right back. Well, so I'm all back with the stirring utensils. I dropped, I got soap in my hair. I have a lot of bobby pins. Now I'm going to add the salt. I'll tell you, oh my god, they're starting to spread. I'll tell you guys which one works the best. So Tresemme. I know these two need a lot. But I'm just going to start with a little. Okay, I'm mixing the Suavikids. It's slime-like. That's Suavikids. Look at this. So, this is not going on YouTube, so yeah. This is the 3-in-1. Three-in-1 is actually working just well. And then I got these hand soap. At the end, we're probably going to add more salt if these need it. This one's not really turning like anything, it's just like gel. All of them are mostly turning into something. Definitely. Which one's this clear one? Oh yeah, the body. That one. Y'all, this is working. This Olay one is, this Olay body wash is not working at all. I don't think I added salt. Where is the salt? Oh. Maybe it just needs more salt. No, this Olay one is not working. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to add salt to all of it. all of the ones that worked. So just got done doing that. It looks I don't know why I didn't think of this salt. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this video is gonna go on YouTube. Yuck. Okay, that's sticky. The Tresemme. Tresemme is not really doing anything either. It is chunking up a slime, but it's just too sticky to even be slime. I mean, the Suave Kids is working really well. The hand soaps as well. I decided to do 8 soaps, just in case any of you guys have these soaps. This is the lemon one. It's the lemon one. It doesn't even stick. Well, it kind of does. Wow. This green apple one is really thick. Oh my god, I added too much salt to the green apple, so buy green apple. I'm so mean. Now mixing up the body bath, I also added too much salt on that one. But otherwise, this is, I'm going to put all of the slimes on the soap, so I'll be back. These are, this is Suave Kid family. Look at that. So this is the Suave Kid 3-in-1. It's pretty cool. Suave Kid 2-in-1. You could tell they're 2 different textures. 2 way different textures. In my opinion, yuck. I believe the 3-in-1 is pretty much better. Let me clean off my hands. As you see, they're clean. Play with the 3-in-1. It's kind of sticky. Kind of clean, but still sticky. 2-in-1 is pretty sticky as well, you see. So I agree on the 3-in-1. The other ones I couldn't pick up, like this is the lemon Certis. Just way too sticky. This is the apple. This is the body one. This is the Tresemme. This is Olay. Like, I can't even explain it, but thanks for watching this messy slime test. So, I hope you enjoyed watching me get dirty. See you guys later.